Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Disney A to Z, and I've got another Disney World update for you. There's always something changing at Walt Disney World, and today our update takes us to the Epcot Resort area, specifically two of my favorite deluxe resorts, Disney's Yacht Club and Disney's Beach Club. These resorts are known for their charm, their absolutely unbeatable location, and of course, Stormalong Bay, the massive pool complex that's basically a mini water park. But if you're staying here anytime soon, you'll want to know that Stormalong Bay is currently closed for refurbishment. So in this video, we're going to cover when it closed, what Disney is working on, and most importantly, when we expect it to reopen. So let's dive in. Stormalong Bay officially closed in early January of this year for a major refurbishment. Disney originally planned to have it reopen by May, but now that timeline has been extended through June of this year, and so far there's no concrete reopening date. Here's a breakdown of what Disney is working on behind the walls. The entire pool complex has been completely drained and all of the sand removed and is being resurfaced. The famous sand bottom floor, a Stormalong Bay signature, is being rebuilt with fresh sand, which has recently been delivered to the site. The shipwreck pool and its iconic water slide are also being refurbished. Parts of the pool deck are being torn out and rebuilt with new concrete, and the hot tubs are even getting a refresh too. Even Hurricane Hannah's waterside bar and grill is closed while the work continues. So it's not just a touch-up, it's a pretty significant overhaul. If you've got a stay coming up, don't worry, there are still swimming options available. Guests can still use the Tidal, Admiral, and Dune Cove's leisure pools, which remain open during the refurbishment. Now, don't take this as fact, but I have had some guests tell me they've asked to use the boardwalk pool and have been approved. And it seems to be more of a case-by-case basis. I've also had guests tell me that they haven't had that option. So take that one with a grain of salt. The worst you can do is ask, and they may say no. But you do still have other swimming options at Yacht and Beach Club. And if you're really craving the full water park experience, Disney always has Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon open, depending on the time of the year. And pretty soon, both of those will be open at the same time. So that's the latest on Stormalong Bay, a beloved Disney pool getting a well-deserved refresh. I'll be keeping an eye out for the official reopening date, and I'll be sure to post any update once Disney announces it. If you found this update helpful, give the video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe for more Disney updates, and don't forget to check out our resort tours, ride POVs, park walkthroughs. We've got a little bit of everything here. And if you're planning a Disney vacation and want help booking your stay, whether at Beach Club, Yacht Club, or anywhere else on property, I am a travel agent, and I'd love to help make the process easy and stress-free for you. That's all for now. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon.